Hi guys, and welcome back to Orchids World and More. And if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Daya, and today I'm just going to show you a new find, like I always show you. Again, this is from Ace Hardware Store. I went by this past Friday, and it was loaded with orchids. I was like so impressed. I wanted them all, but unfortunately, you just can't purchase all at once. At least I can't. But this is what I found. Look at this beautiful, beautiful Vanda. I have no ID for her, but look at this, guys. I paid $44.99 plus tax, of course. And there's two Vandas in here. So she has a cake in the back. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Look at that. She still has like two more buds to open up. Don't have an ID for her, but look at this flower, guys. I can't wait to pot her. I was doing that once she finished flowering. I won't do it now. But yes, guys, and she is fragrant. She's beautiful. If you guys know the name, please leave it in the comments below. I really appreciate that. But look at her again. Aw, she's adorable. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of my the dendrobiums outside that they're doing so good. I'm going to show you a little bit of the garden, so stay tuned. I still have this beautiful Vanda in bloom. Look at that. Look at her pot. But there she is. She's still blooming. I have this beautiful one that she's still in bud. Isn't she stunning? That's her tag right there. And she has another spike coming out. So she loves it where she's at. She loves her pot. Look at her again. She's stunning. So we have a lot of dendrobiums here in spike and in flower. So I want to show you this one right here. For this one, I have no ID. So I just wanted to show you really quick her beautiful flower. So yeah, she's beautiful. Look at all the spikes she has. Look at all that there and all that up here. She's great. Look at all these spikes on this one. I'm telling you, once this starts blooming, I'm going to have a display of dendrobiums that are going to be gorgeous on this bench. Look at this other one here. Look at this beautiful dendrobium. She is, let's see her name. Let me get her for you. She is a Dendrobium Sonia. Here she is. Okay. She's beautiful though. Look at that flower. I have my Heaven Scent. But let me keep showing you this. Hold on a second. Look at that. And I also have my ground orchids. Look at these flowers. Let me tell you something. These flowers are beautiful. And they bloom so much. Look at this other one. It's not an orchid. I don't know the name for her, but she's beautiful as well. I have my chocolate scent. Look at that beauty. And she is in spike like everywhere. She's doing really good. Look at this. Still in bloom. I purchased her almost 4 weeks ago. And they're still both in bloom. Look at this. This is the one that I bought at Home Depot. They're doing great. I went ahead and put this Vanda up here. She is in a pot. And she has a spike right there. So she's doing great. I have another dendrobium here. Look at the color of this one. I'm just basically showing you all the dendrobiums I have. Look at this spike. It's just beautiful. This is the bench that I bought. I don't know if you guys remember that I posted that I put up here, out here, and I have all my orchids, some of my orchids up here. Let's see if I just go this way. You can't hardly see the bench because all the orchids are there. But it's a beautiful bench. I also still have this. Let me show you this ground orchid right here. This yellow one. Look at this. Isn't she gorgeous? She's great. Look at that. And she has so many spikes. Let's see what else. Right here we have some sheath going on and some buds as well. I have more Vandas up here, my Mimi Palmer, that I have to put in a pot. That's like 3 there that I have to put in a pot. Then I have this beautiful one here. She is so fragrant. Let me show you her tag. Hold on 1 second. I bought her Palmer's Orchid. She's a Prada Green Deluxe. I know a lot of people say, well, she looks yellow. But look at her closely, guys. She has that lime green color. She's doing great. And I have this Teresa Ritchie up here. Look at her. And look at this beauty here that I won at Rich Orchid Society. Let me show you her tag. She's a Brassavola Nerdosa cross with Jet Surprise. But look at her flower, guys. She's so tiny. I really didn't think she was going to bloom so soon, but look at her. She's so cute. I have a lot going on. Look at this. I can't wait to show you when she starts blooming. Look at that. I forgot the name. I have it in there somewhere, but I don't want to disturb her, so. And I have this one up here. Look at that beauty. Yeah, guys. I'm very happy with my garden. I'm very happy with the progress of how everything is doing. And just wanted to give you a brief walk. Look at all this. I have my lemon tree. She's full of lemons. Let me show you really quick. Just not orchids this time. Just show you the lemon tree as well. Look at this. Look at this tree. Look at all these lemons. I'm ready to make my margaritas. Look at the lake, how beautiful. Everything looks so peaceful, so beautiful. I love my garden. Let's go back in. It's a lot of bugs outside. So yes, guys, just wanted to show you this, just a little video that I wanted to make. I want you guys to enjoy your day. Happy Saturday. And I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave comments. I love reading them and replying back to you guys. So take care. Love you. Bye-bye.